With all the doom and gloom going on lately, I thought it'd be nice to take a little break and watch a video from one of my favorite rainforest animals, the coding sloth. Should you study computer science? By the way, I love this guy. Make sure to check out his video, like and subscribe to him. Very funny guy. Let's get into it.
I'm going to be honest with you all. The tech market right now is cooked. There's 4 paths you can go down to get that sweet and succulent tech job, and each has their own difficulty. We have recruit, your dad is the CEO, regular, college/computer science student, hardened.
Okay, that's me. So I played on regular difficulty.
A boot camp, and then
Yeah, I might be hardened.
we have veteran, people who are self-taught. But
Oh,
honestly,
veteran. I'm definitely a vet, but that don't change where the job market is right now. You know what I'm saying? Yo, look, we coming different for computer science. I know y'all used to seeing them Indians, some Russians, and all that. Nah, you gonna see a black person in this industry now. I ain't gonna cap. Yeah, and I'm on some Elon shit too. I'm trying to be like Rick and Morty or some shit. Not like them niggas that stink.
I have a lot of respect for people that are self-taught, but at the same time, I feel like everybody is self-taught. I mean, just going to college, people expect that everything is just going to work out for them, but everything...
That's why I say that, because you see, like, he don't respect none. Yo, for me, I already am self-taught. These niggas is already self-taught and they not even getting credentials. I'm black. So how you think they treating me in the tech world? Fuck. Give a fuck about you, Indian boy.
Everything in life is what you make it, unless, of course, your dad is the CEO.
in today's job market, everyone's playing on veteran. Like, bro, imagine wasting 4 years of your life just to end up at McDonald's putting fries in the bag. A lot of people out here are getting laid off, and new grads, good luck to them. People from top universities struggling. People who worked at FANG companies.
What the hell? Okay. I don't know where you found that picture of me. The way this looks a little sus, doesn't it? The way we're both posing and like smiling together, and the fact that I'm wearing pink, like Barbie pink.
I think it's so funny how the YouTube content creator he's reacting to is basically saying you broke. And this is an industry where it's like a dick slinging battle. So niggas is very comfortable saying you're broke, you're ass, you're not good, and shitting on them with like 500K. Like, fuck you. Yo, I love this industry, bro.
Struggling. I myself am a victim to this market. Why do you think I make these stupid videos? And it's not just me.
Oh, that's kind of sad, but funny at the same time.
That thinks this. Look at all these YouTube videos from experienced engineers. They all have similar opinions. And do not look at Reddit, because you'll feel worse if you look at Reddit. And not only that, the interview process.
Yo, low key, if you look at Reddit, you might fuck around and want to hang yourself, bro. I'm not saying that like it ain't no place for you to look, but there's really no reason for you as a programmer to be on Reddit. Like, it's niggas sharing the same depression. And whoever's is worse is the one we're gonna consult. Like, oh my God, be careful, be safe. Like, that is the most depression. Like, that community is just depressed. Ain't no reason for a programmer to be on Reddit. I ain't gonna lie. Just go outside, take a walk. Don't go on Reddit, bro.
Process is also getting more difficult. I've seen posts that all you had to do was solve an easy or medium leak code problem, but nowadays it's
one thing I want to say is that everybody assumes that like before the 2022, the tech slump, and before COVID, that everything was just like perfect. There was a big struggle to get your foot in the door. Like, as a new grad, just getting your first internship or your first job, getting like your resume was actually a pain in the ass.
Hey, yo, I could second that. Although I'm self-taught, I could second that, because when I went to college, I wanted to get a computer science degree, but I switched out from that bitch for 2 reasons. One, I didn't have time to be upping my loan amount to 10K more just because of a fucking tech degree, and the projections that I was looking at wasn't too, appealing to me for the amount of time that I'd be doing for that bullshit degree. You know what I'm saying? And the classes I'd be taking. So it's definitely not worth it, bro. Definitely not.
At least for me, like, I was try-harding too. Getting your foot in the door is the hardest part. It gets exponentially easier after that, so just keep that in mind.
sounds like they want you to write an algorithm to solve world hunger in like 10 minutes.
For your interview question, create Google.
What?
2.
What?
Yeah, you got 10 minutes.
Wait, what do you...
What the hell? He was not supposed to leak this question, yo. That's the question I used to ask. Damn.
Write an algorithm to solve world hunger in like 10 minutes.
For your interview question,
This is my first time watching, and obviously I'm reacting to someone reacting, but part of me is saying this is his video from his second channel. Like, it's so coincidental how his photo is being used in the same video. So I don't.
create Google.
What?
2.
What?
Yeah, you got 10 minutes.
Wait, what do you...
Oh yeah, you have to do it in assembly.
Wait.
Alright, time's up.
Wait, what?
Yeah, that was a good attempt. You'll get an email in a few days letting you know if you pass or not.
Interview process is tough. And then we got AI. It's going crazy, and it's probably gonna replace us in 10 years. Okay, I'm being dramatic. It's not that crazy. The market itself is not that good, but it's also not impossible. As long as you work on projects, prepare for interviews, network with people, it's possible.
I think anecdotes, for a lot of people, they drive a lot of emotion. Like, they can make you feel really, really good or make you feel really, really bad. Like, if you see a Reddit post that's encouraging or discouraging, what I try to do is just focus on, like, the overall trend. And I think over the next 5 to 10 years, hopefully, with interest rates going down, hiring will pick back up. That said, let me give you an anecdote because I know how powerful those are for people. Looks like a post made 8 hours ago on LeetCode has like 600 upvotes. Hiring is absolutely picking back up. I don't know how much experience this person has, but they have 5 interviews lined up. So maybe they're not a new grad, but still a positive sign.
Yeah, that's some bullshit, bro. Where are these motherfuckers finding these niggas, bro? Cause it definitely ain't no job board. LinkedIn, bullshit. Indeed, crash. Like, where y'all finding them shits? As a matter of fact, I don't even know how honest. Like, I don't. Man. No, they look like some interaction. Alright, so it's not him. I guess they have a very close
Fine, but again, just an anecdote could be completely useless.
Really just a numbers game. It just takes some effort and a lot of luck. Mainly luck, but it's possible. So yeah, I recommend computer science.
If it take luck, I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm a lucky nigga. And the one thing I could say is, I don't really, like, with the computer science shit, here's the thing I'm gonna say. I'm not like them niggas, like the norm. Like, you feel me? They like to get the nose and practice and be stinky and all of that shit just to get to the paying jobs. I'm a realist, my nigga. Facebook gonna find me. I worked for people. I ain't gonna disclose it, but I worked for people before that allowed me to kind of, like, you know, separate myself. Even though I haven't had experience, the experience I do have is like working for Louis Vuitton and shit like that. Like, I'm not naming the companies actually, but I'm just saying, like, the credentials I have is kind of on that level. Small, but good credentials. The job market sucks. That's what it really is, and I don't really think you need to work as hard in computer science as you did back then. That's why the job market is tough. A business dude can make 10 lines of code and tell the software engineer or whoever's working on it, hey, focus on that and just use ChatGPT whenever you need to. But in all honesty, it's not a labor shortage. It's stupid niggas thinking that AI could fucking do everything for them. Which is why we're in a recession. Yo, this shit adds up so beautifully, but niggas are too dumb to realize. But, next video.